Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Milana and I love everything that has to do with beauty. So if you do too, you are in the exact place you should be. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you love anything that has to do with beauty, you're gonna be seeing something from me 3 times a week. Don't miss out on that. And please make sure to like this video. If you love drugstore makeup or just beauty in general, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. But for today's video, we are going to be doing a full face just using drugstore makeup. So I'm really excited about this one. It's gonna be all affordable makeup, none of the high-end makeup. So I'm very excited to get into this. So if you wanna see my full face of drugstore makeup, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, ladies and gents, the first thing we're going to start off with, obviously, is primer. And for today, we're going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. So I'm going to take a pump of that, put it on my forehead. Yes, my forehead takes a pump of makeup because I have a big forehead. Moving on, so for foundation, I'm so excited. This is the first time that I'm using this. It's new from Revlon. It's the Photo Ready Candid Glow Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation. Big title, but I'm so excited. I picked up the shade 340. It looked like it would match me when I'm tan. I'm just hoping that it's not too warm. And this is actually, it says True Beige. So if you're a similar complexion to mine, True Beige. And then I'm using a drugstore beauty blender. I'm scared. All right, let's just see what happens. Oh, it matches pretty nice actually. Definitely not a fuller coverage foundation, so if you're into more of that full coverage look, I wouldn't go for this, but I'm liking it so far. Okay, so this foundation is pretty good. It's definitely not my favorite right off the bat, but not bad. It's not full coverage, like I said. It's more of like that kind of on the lighter side to medium coverage. And it is pretty buildable. I did add a couple of layers because I wanted a little bit more coverage since I'm going and doing something after this, but it's good. I really like the glow that it's giving my skin. I'm really happy with that. It's giving me that really nice glowing from within kind of look, which you know I love. So far I like it. I'll keep you guys posted on it once I wear it a little bit more. But next I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and I have the shade 130 Medium. I really like how easy this was to apply. I really like that. Let's see how it blends into my skin though. That's the real determiner. Okay, I am loving the way my skin looks right now. I think it's the foundation because I have just this really glowy look to me. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but I'm obsessed right now. I'm really feeling it. And this concealer did a really good job of covering up whatever the foundation didn't. And I think I picked a really nice shade for the concealer too because it wasn't too much lighter than the foundation, but I just think it looks perfect. So far I'm happy. Next, I'm gonna take a powder for my skin, and this one is from Milani. It's the Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder in the shade 4 Natural. perfect. So that really just kind of dried down those places that I don't want to be as shiny. You can see my cheekbones still have that very nice glowy look to them, but I just wanted to give a little bit more of a matte look to my under eyes, my chin, my cheekbones right here, or my jaw right here, my chin, my forehead. And then we're gonna take our bronzer. I cannot say enough good things about this bronzer, you guys. It's so, so good. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I have the shade Sunset Bronzer. I think that's what it's called. But this stuff is so good. It literally smells like you're on the beach. So let's just give my skin a little bronze slash contour. All right, now that I'm bronzed up, I'm gonna take my Milani Baked Blush in number 1, Dolce Pink. I love this for the summer. It's the perfect corally pink, just definitely my kind of blush. I'm taking my regular blush brush, dipping it in there. Such a pretty color. And then of course we're gonna be taking a highlighter. You guys know that I usually do a liquid highlighter, but this is a new highlighter for me. It's the Revlon Skin Lights in shade 201 Daybreak Glimmer. It just looked really cool, so I wanted to try it. It said it was a prismatic highlighter, which sounded very appealing, so we're gonna try it and see what it does. I'm taking that same brush that I used to powder my face. Now that my face is powdered and I don't need it anymore, we're gonna dip into this, swirl it around in there, and please be good. Okay, so far I love. And I personally never bring highlighter up to my forehead. I don't like to bring too much attention to my forehead. I think it's big enough and I don't really want to highlight it any more than it is. So I bring it up to my eye, actually, right under my eyebrow and onto my lid. I just like that it gives my eye a little bit more of a shine too, and less to my forehead. So that's a personal thing. You guys know how I feel about powder highlighters, but this one is actually doing a really good job. So I am happy. Love it so far. I'm excited. This is turning out very nice. My face looks expensive so far too, you have to admit. Like, you couldn't tell that all this stuff was drugstore. But next, we're gonna move on to my eyes. So I'm gonna take this Maybelline The City Mini Palette, and I have the 550 Cocoa City. And I'm not gonna go in too much with this because I have another product for my eyes that I've been dying to use. So I've already set my eyes with that face powder. I'm literally probably just gonna take this shade right here, a little bit darker, and I'm gonna blend that out into my crease. I don't want this to be a dark eye look whatsoever. There's a lot of fallout in this palette, guys, just a fair warning. But you know I don't judge a palette based off of that. It really just depends on how it looks on your eye. So far it's blending out perfectly, so no complaints from me. The product I'm most excited about is this Maybelline Color Tattoo Socialite. That's the shade, Socialite, sorry. But it's a 24-hour wear, I guess. So this is what it looks like inside. It's like this really pretty rose gold, which I love rose gold everything. And I'm gonna use up my finger for this. I'm just gonna swirl my finger around in here. Very pretty. And then I'm going to pat it onto my lid. And then just blend out the edges a little bit so there's no harsh line. Obsessed. Do the same to the other eye. And then just take another brush, go back into that highlighter, and we're just gonna highlight our inner corner. Ever so slightly. This highlighter is crazy, guys. And we're just gonna go back in with that same brush that we used to blend. Pick up some of that highlighter again and just highlight the brow bone. Moving along. So for my next product, we're gonna do my eyebrows. First thing I'm gonna do is obviously take a little spoolie and brush them out and up. And this is also a new product. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Micro Ink Pen. I'm so excited because I thought this was really similar to the Glossier. Not exactly the same because this one has like different kinds of bristles. It was really interesting to me, so I wanted to try it. I'm just hoping it turns out well because like I said, I'm supposed to go somewhere later, so if I screw up my eyebrows, I'm screwed. So let's just attempt it. Wow. You can tell it literally looks like hairs on my brows. I love it. Now that our eyebrows are looking good, I really, really liked that product. It made it really easy to do my eyebrows, and I didn't really have too hard of a time with it. Like, I wasn't screwing up as much as I thought I was gonna be, so I am very happy with that. But next, we're gonna be taking this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take a spoolie and I'm gonna brush through them one more time. That really stuck them in place though, wow. But moving on to eyeliner, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. It's a little mini. Looks like this. And I'm going to line my lid. All right, liner's done, looking good. And then we're gonna take mascara. For today, I'm taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. All right, guys, I'm really excited about this next product because I think this is a new thing. I've never tried anything like this before, but it's the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner. So it says double strength magnets on 5 points and biotin infused, which is crazy. And it comes with this little, I don't know if this is, yeah, this is kind of like an eyeliner. I'm just gonna go on top of what I already put on. and then you just stick the lash on top. So let's see how this goes. Not too bad. They're very, very natural and thin lashes, but I like the concept of it. This is pretty cool. Very cool. Super, super cute looking. Really natural, which is perfect for me for right now. Yeah, let's move on to lips. I'm so, so excited for the lips. For today, I'm gonna be using the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Eyeliner Suede in shade Brunch Me. This is what it looks like. It's a nude. Sorry if my hands are all black. That lash stuff was kind of messy. Such a pretty nude color. And then I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Cream in 235 Warm Me Up. Looks like this. And I'm gonna apply that all over my lips. These are the Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid. I just was obsessed with the packaging. These kind of look similar to the KKW Beauty lip products, but I just really, really love the look of this, and I love that it's clear so you can actually see the color inside. I got two shades. So I got 006 Reef, which is the more pinky shade, and I got 008 Stone, which is the more nude shade, which is the one I'm probably gonna be using, which is what I am using. It has a big doe foot applicator, which I love. And I'm just gonna apply to the center of my lips. So, so nice. Highly recommend. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lip gloss, which is so important to me. You guys know I talk about that all the time. I love when lip glosses don't feel like lip glosses, if that makes sense. And then last thing that we're gonna do is set all of this in place. And we're gonna be using the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray, 16-hour wear. So we're gonna spray all over my face. Ugh. The thing I don't like about this is that it literally spits chunks of liquid at you. So kind of have a chance of ruining your makeup. But I'm just gonna dry it on my face, and you could tell it really did give me a dewier look. Love it. That was my whole face just using Drugstore makeup. You can tell it still gave me such, like, you couldn't tell the difference, honestly, between this and if I did a full face of high-end makeup, in my opinion. There were some products that I liked more than others. Obviously, I gave my opinion on all of them, but I'm extremely happy with how this turned out. I love how my makeup looks tonight. I have to fix my eyeliner a little bit because I kind of screwed it up, but I just love how I look. I love this makeup. I'm really happy with it. I love doing more drugstore kind of looks for you guys. I really like going for products that everyone is able to use. So if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, please let me know. But that's all I've got for you guys today. Make sure to, like I said, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what your favorite products were that I used today. Make sure to share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. If you love anything that has to do with beauty, you're gonna love my channel, so make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.